Hello students, hope you are doing well. TS Polyset is a state level entrance exam which is conducted by the State Board of Technical Education and Training, that is SBTET Hyderabad, for admission into polytechnic, that is diploma courses offered at various government, aided, private and unaided polytechnic institutes in Telangana state. If you are also interested in appearing for the TS Polyset exam, then it is required for you to apply for the exam as the initial process. That is why we will be covering all the important details related to TS application process in this video. The very first aspect of TS Polyset registration is the important dates. If you want to check the important dates for TS Polyset registration, you can check the video description where you will find a link which will consist of the complete schedule for the exam and important events. Now let us look at the TS Polyset application fee. The application fee for TS Polyset exam will be different for different categories, such as for general and OBC categories, the application fee will be 400 rupees, while for the SC and SC categories, the application fee will be 250 rupees. Now that we know the application fee for the exam, let us look at the detailed process on how to fill the TS Polyset application form. The very first step is registration. The interested candidates will have to visit the official website of TS Polyset. In order to register successfully, the applicants will have to fill up the required fields such as the mobile number and email ID. After the successful registration, the candidates will have an account, that is email ID and password, through which they can apply for the TS Polyset exam. The next step is to fill the application form. The applicants will have to fill up all the personal details and educational qualification in the form. The fields entered in this section must not vary with the original documents. That means that all the details that you are filling in the form must match with the documents that you will be submitting. The important mandatory fields that you will have to fill in the application form are name of the candidate, hall ticket number, date of birth, father's name, permanent residential address of the applicant, name of the exam center where the candidate wants to appear for the exam, reservation details and Aadhaar card details. The next step is the payment. This step is applicable only for the online applicants. They'll have to pay for the online application through net banking or debit card or credit card. The candidates who will be filling the offline application form for TS Polyset can pay the fee through the offline mode at the time of filling the application form only. The last step is the submission of the TS Polyset application. After filling up the TS Polyset application, the applicants would have to upload the required documents and finally submit the application form. As soon as the application form will be successfully submitted, the TS Polyset hall ticket would be generated and the candidates are advised to download the hall ticket and application form for future references. Now, let us look at some of the important guidelines for TS Polyset registration. The candidates will have to fill in class 10th admit card number and the year of passing out the examination. Applicants will have to fill in their date of birth in the format date, month and year. The candidates will have to write one letter in one box while filling up the offline form. After the first name is written, they'll have to leave a box blank. In the area code, the candidate has to enter that area code where the candidate belongs to. You will have to mention the reservation category and special category. For the candidates who are willing to appear for the exam in Urdu medium, they must know that only Hyderabad holds the Urdu medium examination. Candidates must sign in the declaration regarding the physical fitness of the applicant. That's all for today. Thank you. We wish you all the very best for the exam. For more updates on TS Polyset exams, stay tuned to College Dekho. You can also check the video description for other related articles related to TS Polyset for more information. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.